What are the data privacy concerns with SaaS CRM software? Imagine having all your customer information stored in one place, but not knowing who can see it or how it's protected. That's where data privacy concerns come into play with SaaS Customer Relationship Management software. These platforms hold sensitive details like names, addresses, financial data, and interaction history. If security isn't tight, hackers could access this information, leading to data breaches or theft. Without strong encryption or multi-factor authentication, customer data could be exposed during transmission or storage. Regular security checks and quick incident responses are needed to keep data safe. Another concern is who can access the data inside the system. SaaS Customer Relationship Management platforms often have multiple users with different roles. If permissions are not set correctly, someone might see or change data they shouldn't. Using role-based access control helps ensure each user only sees what they need for their job, reducing accidental or malicious leaks. Transparency is also key. Customers should know what data is collected, how it's used, and how long it is kept. SaaS CRM providers need clear privacy policies and must get explicit consent from users. This is especially important to follow laws like the General Data Protection Regulation, which protects customer rights. Giving customers options to opt in or withdraw consent helps build trust and keeps companies compliant. Regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, and the California Consumer Privacy Act set strict rules on how data is handled. SaaS CRM users and providers must follow these laws by securely storing data, respecting user rights, and documenting data processes. Failing to do so can lead to hefty fines and damage reputation. Many SaaS customer relationship management systems connect with other apps, which can introduce vulnerabilities if those third-party services are not secure. Managing these vendor risks involves checking their security measures and monitoring their performance regularly. If a third-party app has weak security, it could become a point of entry for cyberattacks. Ownership of data is another concern. Businesses need to know who owns the data stored in the SaaS platform and how they can move or delete it if they decide to switch providers. Vendor lock-in can make it difficult to access or transfer data securely, which can be a problem if the company wants to change systems later. Finally, unethical use of customer data can harm trust. Using data for purposes beyond what was agreed upon, like selling it to third parties or creating profiles without permission, can break laws and damage relationships. Clear policies and ethical practices are necessary to prevent misuse. To keep data safe, companies should choose SaaS providers with strong security certifications. Enforcing strict access controls, encrypting data both when stored and during transfer, and regularly checking security measures are essential steps. Using multi-factor authentication, single sign-on, and modern authorization protocols adds extra layers of protection. Understanding these privacy concerns helps businesses pick the right SaaS customer relationship management tools and manage them responsibly, keeping customer trust intact and staying within legal boundaries.